Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW X3 grille. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry components without scratching. A T20 Torx screwdriver is essential for specific fasteners, and a clean microfiber cloth will protect your paintwork. Having a small container for screws is also helpful. This ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement process, making it easy for you to upgrade your vehicle's look. Now let's remove the old grille. Begin by opening your BMW's hood to access the top mounting points. Using your plastic trim tool, carefully release the upper clips that secure the grille in place. Work slowly around the perimeter, applying gentle pressure. Once the top is free, gently pull the grille outwards from the bottom. Be mindful of any attached sensor wires, disconnecting them if necessary to fully detach the old grille. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your new one. First, align the bottom tabs of the new grille with the corresponding slots on your BMW. Gently push the grille inwards, ensuring all the lower clips engage properly. Then, firmly press the top of the grille until you hear and feel the upper clips snap into place. If your old grille had sensors, reconnect those wires now. Double-check that the grille is secure and flush. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Gently tug on the new grille to ensure it's securely seated and all clips are fully engaged. Look for any uneven gaps around the edges where the grille meets the bumper. A properly installed grille should sit flush. Finally, give your new grille and the surrounding area a quick clean with a microfiber cloth. You've successfully updated your BMW X3's appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.